This is the Trading Playbook, where the charts do the talking, and every session makes you a better trader. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Trading Playbook. My name is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing, and welcome to a Sunday episode. Thursday was absolutely crazy in the markets. As we know, Friday markets were closed. But before I get any further, I just ask you to please consider liking this video, subscribing to the Verified Investing YouTube channel, and leaving a comment down below on what TA pattern you want to see next. And don't forget, guys, really insane deal for you guys. 40% off all of our courses on our website from now until July 12th, including my very own course. You can go click this link or scan this QR code to learn more, but it's basically teaching you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, from just creating an account to placing your first trade, zero to trader in 60 minutes. With that being said, let's hop into this week's plays. Now, going into the charts, on Thursday, big sell here on the Qs, about a 2+% move down. And some of the charts from yesterday's episodes have already started moving. And because of that, I have 3 plans for you, 3 potential trade setups for you. And let's hop right into plan A, the SMH. So this is the same chart that I had previously. And what did I say? I said a close below, right, is bearish, right? And on the SMH, where did I say you can enter? Well, you can enter on a break or a retrace. And what is the SMH doing now? The SMH is an ETF that tracks basically the performance of the semiconductors, right? It's a semiconductor ETF. So as the SMH closes down here, where can we enter a position short? Well, for me, let's say the SMH retraces back to this 610 to 620 region. That is my plan A. Right, that's where I would consider a short on the SMH. I think that you could, if you get a bounce here, 4% bounce, and then get another fall lower, you could easily see a move down to this gap fill right here around 14% lower, around 522, and this will be your gap fill support. Gap fill support as it's breaking down from this upsloping parallel channel. The next stock I have, plan B, is Apple. And now Apple, also in an upsloping parallel channel that I talked about previously, isn't exactly at a level, but when the rest of the markets, are down, Apple is up. Now, for me on Apple, where did I say you can short? Not only can you short at this break and confirmation down below or a retrace, I said the area to potentially short on a parallel channel, particularly upsloping in this case, would be up here on a retrace to the top of the parallel channel. In this case, you're looking around 324, 325, 323, anywhere around there. So let's say Apple can get, an additional $20 bounce from this level, maybe 6 or 7% in this upcoming week, particularly if we see a market recovery moving into next week. Well, that's where I would short it. It would also coincide with Apple making brand new all-time highs. So for me on Apple, the really key area I'm watching is between 320 to 325 for potential short. Okay, and the third chart I'm looking at is Tesla, right? And Tesla, as it was looking to kind of break out of this parallel channel, it's kind of been rejected, right? And violently rejected from the top of this parallel channel, right? But what do we know? The break of the downsloping, in general, you want to go long. It's bullish. We're looking for an area to go long. So where are we looking to go long potentially here on Tesla? Well, there are a couple of regions that I would consider potentially going long here on Tesla. Number one, on a break to the upside, of this parallel channel, which seems quite far away, right? Seems quite far away from this level. The secondary area that I would look for a potential bounce would be around here, the bottom of this downsloping parallel channel. Over here, just around this, what is this, 360 to under 370, between 370 and 360 region, again, should provide a bounce according to this technical level. Now, again, it's just probabilities, but I mean, Apple's up, we're looking for a short. Tesla is coming down, we're looking for a long, and the SMH is actually breaking something that's really that's bearish. We'll look for a short there. But there's a couple key things to take a look at, and here are a couple common playbook mistakes. Right, let's say you get into this play here on this, let's say on this one, SMH, right? Then we're looking, hey, if this can pop up above this and get above 630 towards 640, it could be rejected and you could be moving back into this. So maybe you consider a stop out there, right? Another one here for Apple, pushing up into this. Let's say you get to this previous high and you close above it, then it's important to potentially put in a stop out level and wait for confirmation. And let's say it confirms above this parallel channel, then maybe you stop out of it. And then finally here on this Tesla, right? Like let's say you come down, right? You short it here, or you short it here, or excuse me, you go long here, but it continues to fall. Well, then there's a couple things you can do, particularly on Tesla. Let's say you get in right here on 650 or 365-ish, right on the lower end of this for a long, and it continues to go below. You have a decision to make. Do you stop out or do you add to this? And then this is where we kind of add our other technical levels we've kind of talked about, like potentially a gap fill down here at 352, or adding to the position right here at this pivot low around 337. There are tons of different ways to maneuver through these trades, and it's important to remember that, hey, it's not just, oh, it's breaking out, so it has to go up. No, it could go against you, and if it goes against you, it's extremely important to have a plan. With that being said, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching and being members of the Verified Investing community. Again, my name is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing. Don't forget, our courses have 40% off. My course, Zero to Trader in 60 Minutes Crypto Edition, is on sale right now for 40% off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your July 4th weekend. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. That's the Trading Playbook. If today's episode was your film study, the principle, the pattern, the framework, the application is waiting for you on Sunday. Real setups, real levels, ready before Monday opens. Subscribe to Verified Investing on YouTube. Saturday teaches, Sunday prepares, show up ready.